platform. This has just been updated specifically for the Galaxy S3 and my Galaxy Nexus. Very cool. And for other devices. Very basic. It's tower defense. You're using a variety of different plants like we can see there, and you pick them once you get so many. You can only have whatever they allow you. There's a couple different forms of gameplay. You'll see some of that, but you can see a wave of zombies. They've got different ones. The pole vaulter goes over the first defense, and then he takes on what's ever there. If you let the zombies get past all your defenses, in other words, the sunflowers can't do a whole lot, neither do the potatoes, and if they get past there, the lawnmower, if you have one for that lane, will run them over, all of them. I like the Venus zombie eating fly trap. It's very effective. There's a huge wave. Some of the zombies are harder to kill. Most of you have probably seen this game, but again, it has been recently updated, which makes it a lot better for the Android devices. It played very well on my Android. I love the zombies. They're not that smart, so they give you a message that they're coming to destroy you. This is a different type of gameplay. You've got a conveyor belt on the left side, and it's all about how you place your defenses, and they do throw a ton of zombies at you. You've got a shovel there as well in the top left that you can use to dig up a plant or one of your defenses if you don't like it. Again, the little spuds with the little beeping red, you got to plant them a little ahead of time. There's Crazy Dave. He's pretty cool. I didn't get to the point where he gave me something really cool, but I need to collect some cash before I could, and I didn't get that far. There are a load of levels in this game, and you'll play through a variety of environments such as a swimming pool. You'll play on the roof, all sorts of different places. It's a cool game. Very, very good. It's actually, or was, free on the iOS platform in these last few days of February. At the end of a level, you'll get a new weapon or a new plant defense, and you can go